Last summer, I showed you all how to fix the broken fonts in the VS Code terminal if you are using the Oh-my-zh with the Power10k theme in iTerm 2 on the Mac operating system. Well, in recent update on VS Code, you might have noticed that the fonts might have changed color from light white to dark. The reason for that is because of this change here. So now by default, the VS Code team would change the integrated terminal minimum contrast to 4.5 by default. Okay, even if you don't do anything to this, you don't do anything with the setting, it'll come out with the 4.5 value on this minimum contrast ratio property for the terminal integrated terminal. And that is documented here, way deep in the bowels of the VS Code documentation. Okay, so then what you would have to do to change this back to white, if you want this to match what you have in the terminal, right? So you can see here, the font color is matching. So you can either change this to 1 or 0, as you can see there. Now, the greater the number, the greater the contrast. I think it goes up to 9. Yeah. So I just set mine to 1 because I like having the light text here so that it'll match my iTerm 2 terminal. Okay, so again, obviously this in the settings, you can press on the Mac is let's see, Command comma to get this to open, and then click on this icon here, which will open the JSON settings, and then you can set your values in here. The documentation is kind of hard to find for this, to say the least, right? So what I did was I went to terminal, and you start typing terminal in there, it'll give you all these options, and then you should play around with it, which is kind of time consuming, but hopefully that helps. If you like this kind of stuff, please consider subscribing. If you are already a subscriber, I thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I'll see you next time. Peace be with you.